Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a custom DC-25T-UP-TERM, and what's custom about it is that the customer requested that we only count between the starts. So that start would be of a sensor or a switch or PMP, and that the machine that it's going to go on to is going to continue after the start. So this piece of this product is going to go through a sensor, start the sensor or trigger it, and then pass on, but it's going to go into the machine for a duration of time that they want to keep track of. I hope I understand explain that properly, but it's just going to show the last time that it was duration of between starts. So I'm going to demonstrate that with a normally open switch, and I'm just going to, so the last time between hitting the switch was 391 seconds, 0.9. So this is tenths of a second, and these are just seconds. So they just wanted to see how many seconds it took the machine to process a part between the time it's triggered the start up timer. So every time is going to be shown the last time. So it took me 26 seconds to explain that. And here's another. So that's 7 seconds. So every time a part passes by the sensor, it will trigger the sensor but go on and complete the cycle with the machine. Like I said, these are seconds only, and then the last digit will be tenths of a second. It's all terminal block in the back. You can go through, there's a knockout on either side of the enclosure, and there's one through the back that you can bring your wiring into, and then we have a terminal block for your contact closure or your sensor, whichever you would like. Comes with a 120 power cord, 6-foot power cord, plugs in the side over there. These are 2.3 high digits, LED digits, all aluminum enclosure. The enclosure can mount to a 4-square or handy box. So this is a DC-25T-UP-TERM that's been modified just to display the seconds and tenths of a second between triggers. Thanks for watching.